Welcome back to RV Road Report, the place where rugged rides, luxury living, and roadbound freedom all meet in one epic space. If you're passionate about van life, off-grid adventures, or just exploring in style, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the Driftwood Den camper van motorhome. This beauty rolls in with a vibrant silver finish, rugged long body, and 4x4 wheels ready to take on any terrain. It's sleek, smart, and built to roam far beyond the pavement. Buckle up, because this tour is going to show you what true freedom looks like on four wheels. Let's roll. Exterior front view. Let's kick things off with that powerful front view. Here it is, parked proudly at the official Driftwood Den showroom, shining in a vibrant silver coat that turns heads from the very first glance. The Driftwood Den logo sits centered on the front grille like a badge of adventure. Wide-set headlights and a slightly lifted stance tell you it's ready for the road less traveled. The windshield stretches wide, offering panoramic views for the driver, and the overall front-end design balances modern luxury with rugged strength. This isn't just a camper van, it's a front-row ticket to exploration. Topside view. Now let's rise above for a peek at the topside view, where function meets future-ready design. The Driftwood Den camper van comes equipped with solar panels integrated right into the roof, supplying renewable energy wherever you wander. A compact antenna ensures signal strength for your devices, and there's a low-profile AC unit that keeps the interior cool even in blazing summer heat. This roof is more than just a cover, it's your mobile energy hub, climate control, and signal booster all in one. Every inch of this van is built for off-grid independence. Backside view. Swinging around to the back, we find smart design and practical touches. An extra tire is securely mounted for peace of mind during rough journeys, because you never know where the trail might lead. Just below that, a sturdy cycle carrier is fitted for bringing along your mountain bike or electric scooter. The rear doors open wide and lock tightly, showcasing the same bold silver finish and durability found throughout. From emergency prep to recreational use, the rear setup keeps you ready for anything. Side view. Here's where it gets cozy. Along the side of the van, you'll notice a retractable awning, the perfect addition for outdoor living. Imagine parking by a lake or forest, pulling out that tented shade, and setting up your camp chairs and table. Boom! Instant patio. Whether it's sunrise coffee or sunset grilling, this shaded space extends your comfort zone beyond the van itself. The silver side panels, sleek tinted windows, and subtle trim give it a classy yet capable vibe. It's the kind of feature that turns your stop into a destination. Driving compartment. Time to step inside the driving cockpit, the command center of your journey. The Driftwood Den camper van doesn't hold back on tech. The dash features two large LED screens, one loaded with navigation and entertainment, and the other displaying a live rear-view feed for tight maneuvers. The premium leather seats hug you in comfort, and the ergonomic controls are perfectly positioned for stress-free driving. And with that massive windshield view and responsive handling, long drives feel like a breeze. This is your throne on the move. Sitting and sleeping area. Just behind the cockpit, welcome to your chill zone, the sitting and sleeping area. By day, it's a plush sofa and small work/dining table, ideal for relaxing or knocking out remote work. Come nighttime, that same space transforms into a full-size bed that's super comfy for two. The soft cushions, ambient reading lights, and overhead storage make it feel like home. Every detail here is about comfort, convenience, and clever use of space. Whether it's rest or recreation, this zone has you covered. Kitchen. Now let's explore the kitchenette, proof that you can cook up real meals even on the road. This compact yet functional kitchen includes a 2-burner gas stove, a stainless steel sink, and a mini fridge to keep your groceries fresh. Need space for dry goods, utensils, or your coffee setup? There are upper and lower cabinets to keep everything organized. The prep counter is small but efficient, perfect for sandwiches, stir-fries, or early morning pancakes. It's everything you need to cook like a pro, even miles from the nearest diner. Washroom. Yes, the Driftwood Den camper van fits a compact washroom right into its design, and it's done right. This smart little space includes a toilet, a foldable sink, and a mini shower head, all tucked into a water-sealed cabin. There's a skylight overhead to bring in natural light and keep things fresh, along with storage nooks for toiletries and towels. It may be small, but it's mighty and crucial for life on the road. No more late-night dashes to campsite restrooms, this van's got your back. And that wraps up our full tour of the Driftwood Den camper van motorhome, a vibrant silver stallion made for trailblazing journeys and weekend escapes. With its rugged long body, 4x4 capabilities, and surprisingly spacious layout, it's built for those who crave comfort without compromise. And the best part? It's priced at just $60,000, an incredible value for everything it packs in. Got thoughts, questions, or road trip stories to share? Drop them in the comments. And you know the drill, force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Catch you next time on RV Road Report.